Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put s equals to negative u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one go in here and here. The s we change for this one. So negative and negative, we can simplify. This one we put in here. The integration of this one, that is about exponential integral of u, and I will put about c. So we put negative go to the left, so we change u into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.